All right, so we're going to take a look at our last example of our triangle congruence rules. And this is our last rule, which is angle, angle, side. So here we've got our two triangles. We've got triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. And we want to show, we want to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So, as with all of our problems, we always start off by writing our givens, right? What we know. And you should notice immediately that this bottom side here, XZ, and this diagonal side right here, AC, both have a dash on them. So that means those two sides are congruent. So let's write it out. So AC is congruent to XZ. We also see here that at angle C and at angle X, or at C and at X, we have two congruent angles. So this would be angle ACB and angle ZXY. So you have angle ACB is congruent to angle ZXY. Now, you should notice here we've got a little square here for both of those angles. Some of you may remember that that little square means we have a right angle there. We have 90 degrees. Well, if both of these angles are 90 degrees, then that means both of those angles are congruent. So we can go ahead and say angle ABC is congruent to angle XYZ. And you should see here we've got two angles and a side. Well, we need to see what order we have because, as you know, we have an angle side angle rule. We want to see what order we're in to figure out if we're using angle side angle or angle angle side. So in this case, I have a side and then I have an angle and another angle. Side, angle, angle. Well, if you flip it around, that counts as angle, angle, side. And same thing over here. I've got angle, angle, side. The side is not in between the two angles, so we're going to use our angle, angle, side rule. So we're using angle, angle, side, and we're going to say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. And that's it. We're done.